this could be us.
So back to what I was saying.
Could be us.
Hello guys. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix this error in VirtualBox. So let's fix this error. First go to where you installed your VirtualBox. Open drivers folder and go to BoxUp folder. Right-click on BoxUp file and hit install. Now open your command prompt. Type sc start BoxUp and hit enter. Done. Close the command prompt. Open your VirtualBox and try to start your machine. Working. Thanks for watching this video. For more videos subscribe and hit the bell icon.